Welcome to the Man with the Mic YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And to not miss a single upload, ring the notification bell. Thanks.
Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Ako si Nikolai. I'm your man with a mic. Alright, so for a pilot episode, interesting kasi siya because I haven't done this. I have always driven a manual. Pero because of our friends from BYD Cebu, for the next 24 hours, this will be my ride. This is the BYD Sea Lion 6. Now, I've always driven a manual. So this is gonna be interesting. What I'm trying to do is ganahan ko nga maka-istorya ninyo about like the experience of switching from a manual to an automatic. Not only an automatic, a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, which is the BYD Sea Lion 6. So we're gonna check it out. Hopefully later na atay maka-istorya from BYD. They can walk around, show me the stuff. Nakasakay na ko ani, pero I haven't driven one. So this is gonna be fun. Later. Hi everyone, so right now we have Sir Justin of BYD Cebu North and we're gonna have a walkthrough of the BYD Sea Lion 6.
This time being, sir, kay si plug-in hybrid man gud ni BYD concept is EV powered gid siya.
Okay.
Engine is there as a generator to charge the battery. So just in case, sir, nga atuhang battery percentage is not less than 25%, I mean 25% or below, EV powered gid the most of the time.
Okay.
Although you have an option to switch to each EV. This is the hybrid mode. And
Okay.
then EV, this is the EV mode and makita sa nini mo diri. Pero bisan pag i-hybrid mode to na siya, as long as atong battery percentage is sufficient, not less than 25%, regardless, EV,
EV
gina
gina
siya.
siya.
Let's say 30 kilometer ka daily, you can charge once every 3 days, once every 2 days. At least you can maximize its efficiency. Kay per kilowatt sa balay charger, that's about most likely diri sa Cebu, it's 12 pesos.
Okay.
So if you are going to compare with the per liter gasoline, that's be different.
Dako siya
Yes.
diferensya gid.
And at the same time, the good thing ni plug-in hybrid, sir, wala kay range anxiety. Kung moadto ka mga lugar, there's no means of charging station, you can rely with its hybrid system. So siya na mismo mo charge sa iyang battery. Bisan pag pila ka kabuuan dito, sir, as long as there's gasoline station, then you can do so gabon.
Bitaw no.
So at least you have an option.
Usa kadako ang tank niya for the gasoline.
For this specific, sir, nga model, it's 60 liters.
Dako
So
di gyapon.
it's the same with the mga
Oh,
engine gid siya.
dako di gyapon.
Yeah, kay kung si EV man gud, sir, niya, although
Mm.
short iyang gamay iyang battery compared ni full EV, but si
Mm.
full EV lang gid. Dili sad naman yung mga EV, sir, nga like among pinakagamay nga EV nga pure gid is the Seagull, which could run up to 300 kilometer.
Okay.
That's based on a single charge.
Okay.
Now, with the EV lang gid siya, sir, is every time na kay lakaw, plan ahead gid siya. Mura kag kanang
Yeah.
sa imong cellphone ba nga nakay lakaw by tomorrow, so you need to full charge it ahead of time.
Correct.
At least kuan gid mo mag-set ka with this, bisag anytime pa ka, bisag unsa pa na, bisag asa nimo lakwon, okay ra.
Okay, so first impressions lang gina ko no. Ako man gud I drive a car nya. Not only is it a car, kuan gyud siya kanang it's a hatchback type ba. So hapa gid siya kanang ubos gid siya kuan kani ang Sea Lion 6 pagod kay mas taas siya. Klaro kay tanan ang akong visibility sa road, gaan siya i-drive. Wala siya noise. Hilom jud siya. And the cabin is really hilom since especially it's a new vehicle so gwapo gid siya suspensions. The way man gud I compare kuan gud kaning mga automatic vehicles. Ang akong tan-aw gid yung pero siya bump cars. Ang bump car gid siya kay literally one kay clutch. So basically tama ka sa gasolinador and everything, then brakes, and then that's it. So mura jud ka gasakay og bump cars.
1.6 M nga bump cars.
A 1.6 million bump car.
Very expensive bump car.
Miss Pate na napasubo jud ko nimo. Pero this is an awesome experience. Thank you so much BYD Cebu for letting me try and experience the BYD Sea Lion 6. Apparently, ugma, we're gonna try a different vehicle. Basically, what's gonna happen is, ang kaninga sakyanan will be with me for the next 24 hours. So, uli po din ako siya ugma alas 10 buntag. And then after that, I'm not sure asa nga location mo adto, and then we'll pick up another vehicle. So, karon nga adlaw, we're gonna drive a plug-in hybrid vehicle. And then tomorrow daw, full EV na. Nindot og dagan na. I have to say, ikaw babe, if you were to relearn to drive, Malingaw jud kaani kay it's a manual. It's an automatic. Wa kay hunanaon nga clutch. Easy to drive. Now I understand ako mga amigo nga the manual pag abot ng 40 mas ganahan ako automatic. Right now, if we can change the cam, nanata diri dapit sa may country mall. Fun fact, I used to drive these streets for a good year and a half because I used to work for Y101. Babe, pwede ka mo zoom in sa kanang kung asa ang Y101 sa una? Kana siya, if you see Gasano House of Fabrics, diya sa ibabaw, kanang where the glass is, kanang siyang dome, that's where the office of Y101 is. So ara ko ga board work diya for a good year and a half. I wanted to do like a real life walkthrough about the things you do. Ganahan ko nga mo uli siguro tas balay siguro. We go home sa maybe take the bata.
We will get a reaction from
For the people in the house.
Yeah, our very judgmental daughters. And see, I feel that the sunroof and the sunshade are very
Kuha na sila.
fun.
Selling point.
Selling point.
But also,
If you want to be taken
Hi,
away.
bata!
pero for me, yung other side of it,
Ano man ka, bibi?
Nangunit din down.
So, kani siya, bibi. This is the BYD Lion 6.
Okay.
Closed windows.
Okay.
Open sunshade.
No problem. Okay. See you next time.
Open sunroof. Hi, BYD.
You can tell me.
Open sunroof.
No problem.
Closed sunroof.
Okay.
Closed sunshade.
Copy that.
So right now, adto tag Ayala kay na ako'y palitunon nga item for my guitar pedal. So we are making our way to kanina sa Landers nga area. Very smooth ride. To be honest, ang akuha lang is ang kanilang mga other features sa vehicle. Okay, si Sir Justin just gave me like a breeze with the features, pero daghan pa kani siya features nga kuan nga need pa nako ma-figure out. But anyway, it's expected nga I won't learn everything kay it's just a good 24 hours pansad. Try lang nako siya og incorporate kung asa kumulakaw ko ng adlaw, and then we'll see how the functionalities actually help out. So far, na-enjoy ni mo ang unsa to, babe, ang kanang heated seats.
Heated seats. And then, wala na mo na video ganina. But, si ate nadilin siya muna. Sa una man good with si Ray. As long as matuyok lang siya, then she's fine. Pero hindi siya muna. Muhilak na siya if doon na kami sa gate sa village or padong na may uli and all that. So, naka a good 3-4 rounds.
Yeah,
May
nagsigimig-
tuyok-tuyok.
Nagsimig tuyok-tuyok.
Muhilak siya.
Kaya di siya ganahan sa idea nga
Muli na siya.
muli na. Kauyon kayo, especially when we did the tricks, opening the windows, everything, opening the sunshade, opening the sunroof.
Sunroof.
Voice activated ng mga kwan features. So, nice kay siya nga experience.
But in terms of vision, any adjustments aside from like
Wala kay problema.
mas klaro na siya?
Oo. Kaayo gid. Gaan kayo yung steering wheel. I have to say for someone who's a little apprehensive about EV, this definitely changes my mind about things. Kuha na lang. Puhon mang bulsa.